What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Josh with JCS Customs, and today we're going to be doing another interior upgrade to the 2021 Camaro SS. As you can see, I spent all morning in 28-degree weather cleaning it up, making it look very nice because I have a service appointment today. So yeah, ooh, I missed that spot. So if you're new to the channel, you'll see we've done all these interior upgrades here. And you might notice that these trim pieces are off. That is the topic of today's video. So as you can see the picture popping up on the screen there, they were still the stock original silverish chrome color. And I just didn't think that looked great. So last night I actually took these and wrapped them in gloss black 3M vinyl. And they turned out great, and I think having that gloss black trim up there will kind of tie in everything as far as the gloss black accessories, you know, the gloss black stripes. And so yeah, let's put them on. So here's our gloss black trimmed pieces here. We're just gonna stick them on, super easy to put back on. Hopefully adding the thickness of the vinyl will make it a little difficult to put back on. So there you have it, YouTube. I think they turned out great. Definitely looks better than the silver or chrome. So there you have it, guys. I think it turned out great. The gloss black definitely looks better than that stock chrome color that comes with these cars, and helps tie everything else together. I'm slowly trying to get rid of the chrome. So yeah, if you liked what you see here, be sure to go down below and absolutely smash that like and subscribe button, and check out the website www.jcscustomshop.com to find cool products. So until next time, appreciate you guys watching. Peace.